What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Miesha LeVay, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, what's good, what's popping? This hair is, cause yes ma'am. Y'all, I forgot to make an intro to this video, but basically I'm just gonna be doing my hair, and I had to come and show y'all how good it looks. This hair is from Cranberry hair store. I have all the information listed down below in the description box. So this wig is 150 density. It has a 13x4 lace. It's a full wig. I just love the fact that it looks just like mine. It looks so natural. If you guys are interested in seeing how I lay and slay this wig, keep on watching. So I'm switching over to a voiceover. Hey honeys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miesha LeVay. The hair that I'll be using in this video is from Cranberry hair store. They provided a fishnet hairnet and some lashes. So I bleached the knots on this wig, and y'all, I underestimated this hair because straight out of the package, as you can notice, the hair is black. So I was automatically thinking that it was going to take a little minute for the knots to change colors. But you guys, this wig bleached so perfectly and it turned so fast. So when I came back, I was like, oh my gosh, I just ruined the whole wig. So just by me bleaching the knots, I already know that trying to lift the color on this hair is going to be so easy. So if that is something that you want to do with your wig and dye it, this is the wig for you. So right now you guys see me clipping or pinning the wig to my head just to prep it for styling so that the wig won't move. So since I did over bleach this frontal a lot, I'm not going to go in and try to color correct it, which I can. I'm just going to do a style that will hide all of that. And since the middle of the frontal is not like really over bleached, it's going to be the perfect hairstyle for a bang and, you know, hanging down. A really natural look. If you guys are wondering why I have this headscarf on, I'm trying to alleviate the amount of freeze spray I put on this wig because I don't want to over spray the wig and it be hard to comb out, because I am doing just the freeze spray method with laying this wig. So yeah. So a little tip that I learned with using the freeze spray method, going in sections and taking your time is better because you'll have more control over what you're doing. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going, taking small sections, spraying a little, and then blow drying. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on so that you can be notified once I upload new videos. Also, don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. Let us know that you're here, sis. Tell us a little bit about yourself. We show nothing but love and support on my channel. I'm taking a cotton round and it has some alcohol on it, and I'm just like removing all of that freeze spray that got on the hairline, and then I'm gonna comb through that and use the blow dryer to like set everything in place just to ensure my lace does not come up. So y'all, the razor that I'm using is dull and old. So I would recommend when cutting your lace off, you have a sharp razor or a newly fresh razor to remove your lace, and it will go so much easier. So I'm putting this scarf back on just to remove like all of the flyaways out of the way so nothing gets trapped while I'm working on the hairline. Now I'm not going to focus too much on the hairline because like I said, I'm doing a hairstyle that would just like hide all of that. But I do, like if the wind blow or something like that, I don't want it to be like super white. So we're just going to go in with the back of the comb, and I have like some freeze spray sprayed on a bottle next to me, and I'm like just dipping the comb in the freeze spray and then like going along the hairline just to like melt that further into the skin. The hairline on this frontal is so natural. Y'all, this wig did come pre-plucked. I did not go in and do any additional plucking. I am so upset that I over bleached the knots or the hair, the roots of this hair. Because y'all, I was gonna slay this wig. It looks so natural. Cranberry hair store, if you want to send me another wig for a do-over or part 2, please do, because I am feeling this. So I do want to go for like a more of a natural bang look and not like really super dense. So I want to make a middle part instead of like having like a small circle and then having the bang. I want to have like that natural part in there somewhere. So I do part my hair down the middle so that we can make that natural part before actually starting on the bang. So I did go in with my hot comb and hot comb everything in place so that everything can lay nice and flat. Y'all, this hair has so much natural shine and luster to it. It looks so much like my natural hair. Everyone was asking, was this my natural hair? I was pleased, and that was a plus for me. So I went ahead and parted out the section for my bang and the way that I wanted it to fall. I'm just going to hot comb it and make sure that it lays nice and flat. So I did want my bangs to be like very choppy and not so blunt. That's why I'm cutting like upwards and trying to get like that. I don't know how to explain it. But I did cut my bangs longer. I did not want to cut them shorter because you can always go in and chop off more hair. But if you cut them too short and you don't like them, then you're just going to be stuck with what you got, sis. So don't be afraid to cut your bangs longer and then just go in and, make adjustments. that completes this video and me installing this wig with a fringe bang. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Also, follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is queen-isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is miesha_. I will have all of the information for purchasing this hair down below in the description box, so check it out. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.